should spell your name first. But anyway, you're here. Hi, Miss Cristel Dorothy Frontera. Hi. You remind me of Magkaribal, right? So, who designed your outfit for your Malo-inspired gown?
Ito Morris.
What are you gonna say to him?
Thank you for this major outfit.
Yes. It's really beautiful, right?
Very beautiful. Look at that.
Well, anyway, pick a name and good luck.
Miss Dorothy. It is Miss Therese Joytalo who would ask you the question.
Hello, good evening, Dorothy. Okay, so I totally love your gown since my favorite color is pink. So the numbers left are 1 and 4. So what's yours? 4. Why number 4?
Signifies like number one.
Okay, so I love number 4 too. Because when I joined Miss College of Science and Mathematics and I won, my number was 4. So, but it's not applicable to all. Okay. Another complex question, but I'm sure you can answer this, Dorothy. So, a home, the dictionary defines it as a place of destination, a place of origin, but if you are to define it according to how far have you gone with your young heart, then what is home to you? Again, a home, the dictionary defines it as a place of destination, a place of origin. But if you are to define it according to how far have you gone with your young heart, then what is home to you?
First and foremost, I want to thank my fellow CSE. Well, ma'am, in my young heart, home for me is a place of refuge. It's a place where I can find acceptance, and it is where my heart belongs. That's all. Thank you.